Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 of being in Maui, Hawaii. I'm so happy to be here. I don't think we have any particular plans today except to go eat lunch and just explore the rest of the island. 2 fragrances I've been loving is this Malibu Peach from Kopari. It smells exactly like a jasmine flower, and Kanapali Coast Coconut Sweet Vanilla Coconut Milk. For my fragrances, it's like so tropical. And for my makeup, I don't even want to do my makeup, but I do apply a nice mineral sunscreen. I have this one, Beauty Chosen Tinted Moisturizer, Summer Fridays one that I really like. I also have some glow screens that are mineral, which is awesome because we're not using anything that's not Maui approved. And I can't believe this is a mineral sunscreen. It's like so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some sunscreen, do my makeup. This Summer Fridays one is really nice, except I just wish it was SPF 50. But this will do for now. I can burn so easily. I just want to tan and look sun-kissed, but instead I just turn into a raw chicken. I know I'm sunburnt, but blushes. But blush is my life. So I always blush up and make myself look extra sunburned, so it looks like I've been having fun in the sun, you know? Maybe we can add some freckles. Doop, 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 doop. We were watching Twilight on the flight here, and this hecka reminds me of like a vampire's live. Ah, beautiful. You want to see my outfit? Beautiful. I got the linen pants on and a tank top because it's just too hot. Gotta stay breathable, you know? Lunchtime! Not even 1 second after I used it. Dude, it fell and it cracked. What is that? My sunscreen. It cracked. That's my name.
Action.
Hey guys, we just went swimming, so my hair is really wet. But we're now at the shops at Wailea. And we're just gonna look around. Here we are. It's so hot. I need sunscreen. And my hair is wet. Come along, come along. Got pitaya lilikoi smoothie. Let's just try it. Ooh! Let's just try one. Oh, that's really good. Try it. It's sweet and sour, but everything tastes good right now because I'm super dehydrated and I'm parched. My lips are like wrinkly and salty from the water. Literally just came out of the ocean. I found these pants, so I'm gonna try them on at Lululemon. These fit me perfectly and they're so cute. How much is it? The one that you got last time? No. Different one? Day 3 of Hawaii. We ate poke all day. We swam at the beach all day. We snorkeled all day. Now that the sun is set, ready to swim in the pool all day. It's been just so awesome and the weather is amazing. And I just can't believe this is like my backyard for the week. Look at that.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
Day 4, beach day. Found a nice chill spot to snorkel. I think this will be way easier for the parents too. Look how beautiful it is. My cheekbones, my neck, my shoulders are so burnt. So it hurts. It hurts every time I touch it. I put the rash guard on. Hey guys, we're trying. Ooh, the background looks fire. We're trying the pies. We have lilikoi pie here and chocolate haupia pie. I hope I pronounced that right. Which one should I try first?
Lilikoi.
Okay, lilikoi is passion fruit. Oh, dude, the background looks awesome. It's very tart, sweet, sour. The lilikoi is very sour. Oh, tart, sour. Is that good? It's good, it's good. This one doesn't have the macadamia nuts like last time though. That's okay.
Creaminess?
They have some berry ones. Regular berry.
This pie is the best pie.
You have an ice cream. Strawberry.
Hello, birdie. Oh, goodbye, birdie.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth, and good will come to you.
This drive was like almost 2 hours and my boyfriend is so motion sick right now. He had to take like a gem of me. I thought I was gonna get motion sick, but I think the goggles are actually helping me. So we're here at Black Sand Beach. Black sand.
jump in.
Wow.
No way.
Is it actually?
We're right there.
We're right up. Yeah, we're right up top here.
Oh, that's the
We're in
Jurassic.
that.
So we're in the Jurassic Park
Oh.
opening scene right here. So do you see this valley right
See
here?
me in that video?
They took the helicopter.
Oh. This looks scary. It looks dark. Oh. Wait, it's actually not dark at all. I love exploring nature like this. This is like my favorite pastime. If in the future I ever buy a house, I definitely need some kind of forest or some kind of like nature around me to keep myself entertained. This tree is huge. I like how wispy the leaves are. Oh, so pretty. That's not a robin. That's not a robin.
Cat.
That's another paradise cat.
And Garden Ian.
Yeah, he's so cute. Oh, he's a brown chocolate cat. Banana. Williams banana. Oh, there's so many bananas. Wait, so many Williams bananas. Oh, apple banana. Yeah, so this one's a banana. Okay.
What?
This one's a banana. And then this one's a banana. Bro.
Yes. Yes, what else?
Banana patch. Hannah's bananas.
Yeah, that's bananas.
Hannah's bananas patch. Banana tree. Ooh.
Hey, Chad, what is this?
Chat, what is this? Chat, this is gorgeous, chat. 100-year-old mango tree.
I didn't see any mango.
Me neither. Any mangoes? 100-year-old mango tree. Look at this variegated banana leaf. It looks so fake, but it's real. This is so cool. Look at the orchid on the tree. Orchids are epiphytes, that's why they can grow on aerial roots. My eyes are like drying out. How can my eyes dry out in such high humidity? This is beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Can you guys hear the bamboo shaking in the wind? It's thick.
Quite so.
Very thick. Ooh, peacock. Hello. Hello. You're so pretty. Oh my gosh. He totally wants her. Hello.
Hi, Rooster.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, so wow, you have big nails. Oh, okay. Oh, you want this. Peacock feeding time. By the way, we bought this. They said we can feed them. We're not just feeding them random breadcrumbs. The guy at the front said we can feed them. Is that right? Sorry, should I spill? Oh, shoot. Whoa. That's the cutest pond ever. Anything? Oh, there's something in the water. Today's the last day and we are at the beach again. Same beach as yesterday. It was, ow! I just poked myself with this. I'm really sad to go, so I'm gonna enjoy this morning. Okay guys, that was an end of an era. 1 week done. Any final words? Please, can we stay